are using CanalBox and probably wondering how to change the Wi-Fi name and the password, this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Wi-Fi name and the password in CanalBox. But before we go into that step by step, I have a complete post on my blog that you'll be able to, in case you are not able to follow the video, you can actually just go and read and follow step by step. So all you have to do is go to your browser and search BenTech. You can search for BenTech, or you just go to bentech.com and you press OK, and you should be able to see it here. So you go to blog, and in the blog you see a section here, how to change Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi name on CanalBox Fiber. So if you open this article, you're going to see all the complete guide here. One, there is subscription management, but also there is a router box management. So subscription, you can be able to pay it through online directly, but also if you want to change the Wi-Fi password, you're going to use this section of the box management. So all this you have to do is you come to this URL. I'm going to zoom this out, and this is exactly what we're going to do. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your browser. I can click on this directly, but also I can also show you directly on your browser. As you can see, this is my.canalbox.africa. So when you click on that, it's going to pop you this window that is going to allow you to enter the serial number. The serial number is usually put on your router. That Nokia router that you're using, they usually put like a barcode or something like that. That is where they get the serial number. For mine, I'm going to put it here. As you can see yours, you can also just click it and put it there. So I'm going to put mine. Before I press enter, one thing to note is before you put the serial number, make sure that your PC or whatever device you're using or the phone is connected on the network, or is connected on your CanalBox network, because this won't work if you're not connected. For the other section of the subscription management, it doesn't matter where you are, it can connect even if you're not connected to your network. But for box management, you must be connected to your network for this to work. So for my case, I'm going to log in right now. Now you can see this is the dashboard of CanalBox, and from here you can see the service that I'm subscribed in, my reference number, and the speed, the download and upload, which is 10, 50 Mbps and 10. So, and this is what it does. But for you to make the changes, you have to come on your left hand side where you see my info, my offer, my box. So go ahead to my box, and you see this is Wi-Fi and LAN. So for this case, we need the Wi-Fi. As you see, this is the Wi-Fi. So you're going to give a different name here. Right now I'm using BenTech. It will always by default puts the 2G or 5G in front of it. So whatever you're going to put in there, it's going to be changed. It's going to display what you're going to put. So I'm going to change this to BenTech, and also the new password. This is what I've been using previously. I can be able to make changes on this, and after that you're going to select the channel, anything of this, but the main thing that you need is just this. Once you finish this, you're going to press save, and everything changes. So that's basically what you have to do to change your Wi-Fi and the password in CanalBox. So I'm going to be posting my speed tests of CanalBox and other reviews in case you need to know more. Please subscribe and also share this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.